Hello, dear friends. We all use soap daily, and most of us would have seen various videos in YouTube involving the making of soap. As you all know, the key ingredients of soap are vegetable oil and sodium hydroxide. Now, because it's lockdown, we will not go out to buy sodium hydroxide. In this video, we will try to make sodium hydroxide at home. Now, the key ingredients of making soap at home are coconut oil, common salt, talcum powder, a 9-volt battery, some connectors, a graphite rod which you can get from pencil. We can identify various processes in the manufacture of a homemade soap. Initially, the sodium chloride solution is electrolyzed to produce sodium hydroxide. Further, the sodium hydroxide solution is concentrated by heating. The contents in the glass would have turned into sodium hydroxide. You can concentrate sodium hydroxide by boiling off the water on a gas stove. Now, the talcum powder and oil is blended into a smooth consistency. Finally, we mix the sodium hydroxide solution and oil talc mixture that we have prepared, and then it is cast into a mold and set it for a fixed amount of time.